What kind of job you need? Security or nursing?
I need all job I can.
No, you have to say something. You can't need all job. What do you have a certification for? Do you have CNA?
No.
You have guard card?
That card.
Okay, take this number. You can call him right now on Monday. You just send him your guard card. He will call you because he's usually busy, you know.
He's Nigerian.
He's a Nigerian guy, but he has a big security company. And he do get contract with big companies like Allied and all that. His name is Mike. Yeah, just tell him and Promise gave you his number.
Okay.
You know, just send him a picture of your ID card and guard card.
Okay.
Today is Sunday. You can call him from 2 because he might be at church now.
Okay, no problem. Thank
you. Yeah. Well, you can. I do health administration, so you can go to your YouTube and look up what I do. I do health and wellness talk, you know.
He sent me people. Okay, just
listen. Go to your YouTube and you see what I do. I do health administration, you know. And if you know more people looking for work, I can help them get a work, you know. So just tell him you're from Promise. He's saying it's me. Is that not the guy you called? Yeah, just tell him you're from Promise and say who you are. Saying it's me, then he's not gonna know who you are. He has a big company and he can help you get if you need housing or car, he has all that, you know. So yeah. So how long have you been out here? You say what? You can just subscribe so whatever video I post.
Who are you?
What do you mean who am I? Like my name or what do I do? What do you mean by who am I? My name or what do I do?
Is you?
Yeah, that's me. I do wealth. I preach about health, wellness, spirituality, and I give job resources. That's what I do.
Okay.
Yeah, so, I mean, I have a lot of videos. You can learn how to protect yourself. I tell people the importance of mounting CCTV in your vehicle. You know, the importance of watching what you say because you don't know who you know, who is who. And anybody you cannot bring before the law court, don't send or take money from them. My brother, I said, tell him his Promise. You're telling him somebody give me your number. Wow.
What's your name?
Promise. That's what I told you. Just tell him Angel, bro.
Okay.
Madam, good morning. Do you know what time they open? Huh? You don't know? Okay. We finna see. So, United States of America. This is P&J. Caribbean products located on 147 and Quencher. This was the place I was traumatized, I believe, about 20 to 30 days ago. I mean, the record should be with the police and with Kaiser Hospital. I had done a video here previously because one of the staff, whose name is Udo, who buys shoes for me and who's been a brother and a friend. Before I did the video, I had consented him because he said I'm a very funny guy, that he likes to watch my video. And I and him agreed I'm gonna come do a video in their shop. Eventually, after the video, he met me in another occasion where I was coming to buy calling card for my mom. And he told me that one of the shop staff, whose name is Spira, whom unclassified, he moved at least $700 million to Nigeria or to anywhere other than America between 2011 to 2025 today. At least 60% of the suspects indicted by FBI globally in the 2019 scam confessed, testified, acknowledged that P&J wires money for them. I'm not a police officer. I don't know if he has the bullet, the change license to wire money, because if he does, then the IRS and the FBI would have known that America, we are being scammed. I can validate and ascertain that he launders money. I mean, he's not going to deny that. Everybody in America knows that. You know. And currently, Udo personally told me he has moved over $300 million for Nigerians. I don't know if he has the change license. I wouldn't know. That's left for the detectives, the CIA and FBI to verify. I mean, I've seen Godson sending money through Udo. Chinedu, Leginedu Gwebe, and Danayo, and a lot of boys that were trafficked through Brazil, to Venezuela, to Mexico, to America. He wires money for them. That one, I'm classified about that. I mean, recently, Ugebe Reginald, whom I have an evidence that he does wire fraud and woman trafficking, wired more than 500,000 to Nigeria through Udo. A proceed from the scam that he does with Chinedu Michael and other people outside America or within America. I can only say what I know. I had come to negotiate and appeal and dialogue with Pira why they said I'm banned from coming here. And Pira and Jelly Iwokwe, I'm not classified by his last name, but his first name is Jerry. The wife is Doris, Dr. Doris, who lives opposite Dominguez Castle, whom was indicted by FBI 2019 for money laundering and other cases. They held me hostage, hit me on my chest and face, broke my metal ribbon, threatened to kill me. Bobby Anyanwu was a witness. I mean, he has a choice to testify or not. I don't even need a witness. My Honorable President Donald Trump, the CIA, the FBI, the LAPD, the Gardena PD, and the Houghton PD. The Gardena PD has ignored more than 10 cases I've lodged to them concerning sale of ammunition, abuses, illegal money laundering, and a lot of illegal things going on in Gardena. They will decide not to investigate my crimes because they are aware I had mind alteration. I accept the fact I had a mind alteration, but for Board of Nursing to certify me to practice as a registered nurse, then I do not think I'm endangered to anybody. I'm giving Governor Gavi, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, and all law enforcement agents in America between now and December 25th to investigate the illegal activities going on in this shop. My uncle Shedrack, who is a nurse practitioner, testified to me that after eating here, he had ascites, infection, and GIT disorder and passed away during COVID. I'm classified that P&J does money laundering. I and my mom have eaten here in the past, and we had a very big situation. We got sick because most of the food being supplied comes from Mexico, some comes from Nigeria. One of my confidants, Nwachukwu, whose vision is impaired, testified to me that some food he supplies to them are expired because the food have to be in the sea for so long, or has to be smuggled, or maybe it's not being preserved in the right manner. I want the California Health Department and Food and Safety Department to tell me the reason why P&J sell food that does not have FDA approval, does not have production date and expiring date. I'm classified that P&J hires illegal immigrants, and that is the reason why he threatened to kill me if I do a video in his shop. I'm not denying that I did a video in his shop. The video I did not compromise anybody's private part or private information, and there was no minor on my video. I mean, in America, people randomly goes to the mall to take video. In my own situation, I consented one of the staff, whose name was Udo, who launders money. I mean, he was the one that appealed to me to come and shoot a video that I'm a comedian. I told him I'm not a comedian, but I will come shoot a video and promote your business. I am classified that P&J sells alcohol, more of origin, and other brand from Nigeria. These alcohol are not approved by ABC department. P&J does not have license to sell alcohol, to the best of my knowledge. These alcohol are known to cause cognitive impairment, birth defeat, and other mental illness, including cancer. They're being produced in Nigeria and smuggled to America. I would like P&J to tender his liquor license to California department. It's okay for him to remove the alcohol. I have enough evidences, both messages. I'm pressing 17 count charges on P&J. And if United States of America first to give me justice, I will waste 70,000 hours. I will camp here every day till the Home State Department gives me a reason why my assault is justified. I'm landing a $10 million lawsuit on P&J. I do not pose harm to anybody. As an investigative journalist and only 2 times American Visa Lottery winner, I've been in America for at least 15 years with no criminal record, not even a violation ticket. We have 60 days for America to respond to my crimes, or I have no reason than to go to White House and have a talk with Elon Musk. God bless you guys.